Namaskar and welcome to aadyog. Today we are going to talk about manifestation. And the people are, I don't know, there are 20 million videos on YouTube about manifestation. At the end of the day, you will find one secret, and that one secret is your feeling. Everybody's saying it. But how to reach to that feeling, how to reach to that state, people don't know. They are not aware of it. That's why before we get into more into the manifestation, how to get into that state, that's why we have designed this course on manifestation. First, we see your astrological situation. What are those hindrances? It doesn't mean you have to take my consultation. Just figure out which are those problems, which are those minute details which are not letting you to create your own reality. Then we see practically what is important to take action. Then comes the point, manifesting it. What people are doing, people start manifesting as if something from above will happen and things will go and work out. Without action, nothing is going to happen. Mark my word. Without action, nothing is going to happen. So your action becomes very important. And which action you must take. For that also we need to take a reference from astrological details. Which kind of action will give you the fruit? And which kind of action will take away the fruit? More than what you should do is, it's important what you shouldn't do. So to get into the feeling, very random thing, very generalized thing is do what makes you feel good. Eat, go out, meditate, what makes you feel good. But still people are meditating, people are eating at a particular place, they are going to visit these car showrooms and as well many other places to feel good. But somehow this old action can create anxiety in them. Why? Because we have to see from where this is coming. Why there is a hindrance in their life. Yeah, so if you want to join the course, we have designed a course around it. And people who think magically something will happen, I'm not going to tell you something different. The reality has been written many years ago, decades, centuries ago, by the Indian saints. It's the same method, but you have not explored it. All that you will do with us is explore that method, and you have to act. If you don't act, you will fail. There is one, I don't call him a student, but there is one failed example that I have. That person thought that miraculously something will happen. No. He said, oh, there must be something new. There is nothing new. It's the same thing. All that I will teach is how to tread, how to take steps. And on each steps, I will hold your hands. But if you are unable to do action, don't even think to join my course. No, I'm not entertaining you. But if you can, then you're more than welcome to manifest your own reality. This is for manifestation for today. We'll talk about some other day, deeper into manifestation. Thanks.